The Massachusetts Gaming Commission will hold a special meeting for developers seeking a casino license next week. 22 News State House reporter Christine Lee explains how it gives developers an inside look at what's expected of them.
Gaming commissioners say this is the only public meeting directed at casino license applicants to tell them what process and what standard they have to meet to acquire a license.
The Massachusetts Gaming Commission will hold an open public meeting next week to inform casino license applicants how the commission will evaluate their suitability to pass phase 1 of a two-step application process. On Friday, the commission officially released phase 1 applications, which require casino developers to disclose information like their corporate ownership and structure. The application forms plus a $400,000 fee are due to be submitted to the commission by January 15th.
Applicants will be able to attend and they'll be able to learn about, in a general sense, the process of completing the phase 1 application, which deals with their qualifications, the qualifications of key gaming employees, the financial stability of the applicants.
The commission's consultants will spend time speaking with applicants after the meeting to individually review their information.
The meeting will be held at the Sheraton Framingham Hotel and Conference Center at 10 a.m. on next Monday, October 29th. Live in Boston, Christine Lee, 22 News.